Hey guys, we're going to do a quick product review of the Predator fly tying vise made by Force Fly Fishing and INC out of Summit County, Colorado. Developed by Kevin Evans. Just let's go over the base real quick. We've got places to put your tools, got places to measure, so you know how you can get your proportions right on your flies. Got a built-in magnet for your hooks. See how that just slides right in our tools. You can go up. We've got a nice little arm with a little back snatch on there that you can, for bigger flies, you can hold material back like that and move it around. Super sturdy. If you look at the jaws, you've got two places. You can go from a size 22 all the way up to a saltwater hook just by loosening it up. Real simple, real quick. You can spin it. Just go straight into spinning if you want to, just by loosening up. You've got notches up here so you know exactly where you want to go, what degree you want to be at, and then just tighten it back down. Back here you can raise or lower it how you want to do it. Really, I'm pushing down with all my weight. It's not going anywhere. Super sturdy vise. If you buy this vise, you're never going to buy another vise. So kudos to those guys for developing such an innovative fly tying vise. Super excited to be doing some videos and tying some patterns on it. Just go in a little bit more so you can see everything. You can see, you can just, I'm just going to loosen it up just so you can see how easy. You can take it off, no problem. That's how your jaws are made. You just drop the hook off and then you can just slide it right back in there. Whoop. And just tighten her down. Hard to do this one-handed, but the Predator, 2 thumbs up for sure. Thanks guys, love it.